How to log in into your Target credit card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into your Target credit card. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Target credit card login. Search for that, and after you search for that, head over to this Target Circle card reloadable account. So after you head over to this website, you will find yourself on a reloadable card login section. Now, if you're using that account, you can simply log in right here. So you can log in by typing in your username and then your password and tapping on login, and you'll get logged in. If you're using other account, tap on this account option on Target, this one right here, and it should take you to this website. So let it load and it will again load and take you here. All you have to do is enter your mobile number or email and tap on continue and then type in your password to log in. And that's how simple it is, guys. And that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.